is 13 Investigates.
We're operating under a framework that has to be sustainable.
You're going to calculate someone's health for sustainability? We're better than that.
Tonight, state leaders don't see eye to eye as thousands of Indiana families struggle with a severe shortage of in-home nurses. 13 Investigates exposed this crisis back in November.
But months after state leaders said they would help, little has changed. Our senior investigative reporter, Bob Siegel, shows us why desperate families across Indiana are still gasping for care.
These are the faces of Indiana's in-home nursing crisis. Children and adults across the state who need home nurses to meet their challenging medical needs.
It's a matter of life and death.
Yes.
Yeah.
But there are not enough nurses to provide the help they're supposed to get. Nurses can make a lot more money working in hospitals or nursing homes because the reimbursement rates that the state of Indiana has set for most home nursing care have not changed in more than a decade. 13 Investigates exposed this problem a few months ago, highlighting families like this one. Taisha Wright has been waiting 10 months for home nursing care for her daughter Desire. This 1-year-old relies on a ventilator to breathe, so she needs round-the-clock care. The state has approved more than 80 hours of home nursing care for Desire each week. But because the state can't find a single nurse, she gets none, zero. Taisha and other parents are faced with a daunting choice.
The only option that they give us is to basically give our kids up to a facility. And it's not that we don't want them, it's that we need the help.
We shared all of these stories with the governor, who said he took immediate action.
When you brought that forward, my call within 5 minutes was to the FSSA and said, get with each of these families and figure out what the individual circumstances are so that we can work with them.
The families featured in our reporting did get a call from Indiana's Family and Social Services Administration, but those families say the calls did nothing. Months later, none of the families has gotten more nursing care. Some have gotten less, and other families are at risk of losing the nursing care they've got.
Sometimes we get sick, don't we?
This is Shyla Pitts.
I'm 10.
Shyla suffers frequent seizures. Doctors say for Shyla to go to school, a nurse must go with her.
She's got to be watched 24/7.
The state approved a home nurse for Shyla every day, but her mom recently got a discharge letter saying that nursing care would be ending.
They said that they don't have enough help.
No nurse means no school.
Right.
We did have to issue a discharge letter.
Jennifer Heine is executive director of Advantage Home Care. It's one of the largest home nursing agencies in the state, and it's having a lot of trouble keeping nurses.
Because of the reimbursement rates, they are able to go down the street to McDonald's, Hardee's, and make more money than they could in home care.
It means Shyla is not the only patient getting a discharge letter.
I've actually talked to 4 families this week, and it's heart-wrenching.
Come on, let's get on the bus.
For now, this home nurse has agreed to drive 2 hours round trip every day so Shyla can go to school.
Oh, is she the daughter of the king and the queen?
Yeah.
But it's a temporary fix.
You're not able to say today that Shyla's going to have a nurse to be able to go to school for the rest of the school year.
No.
Thank you for calling Tender Care. This is Maria. How can I help you?
Other home nursing agencies are in the same position. Tender Care in Indianapolis, it's recently lost more than 100 nurses. It's had to turn away more than 200 patients due to the nursing shortage. Across the state, the demand for home nursing is rising quickly, while the pay for home nursing isn't going anywhere.
The combination of those two things has created a crisis level within the industry itself.
Evan Reinhart is director of Indiana's Association for Home and Hospice Care. The trade association has been pleading with state leaders to approve higher reimbursement rates for home nurses across the board. But state leaders rejected calls to do that last year, and they say they won't do it this year either.
Adjustments to the home health rates would need to be ready to propose for the next biennium budget, the 2021 biennium budget.
Essentially, the state's saying there isn't money there right now to be able to put toward this issue.
That's a fair statement, yes.
We have the money to be able to tackle this problem, Bob. There's no doubt in my mind those dollars are there.
Representative Greg Porter is on the state's budget committee, and when he's talking about available money, he's talking about what we discovered in internal documents obtained by 13 Investigates. This document from the state budget agency shows Indiana ended last year with $350 million in unused Medicaid funding. It's money intended for health care for vulnerable Hoosiers. Instead, a huge portion is being diverted to the state surplus for unrelated projects like road construction and a new pig barn at the state fairgrounds.
That's just ridiculous, and that's a big problem with me.
The governor does have the ability to spend the state's Medicaid surplus to fix a health care crisis anytime he wants to.
You can allocate that money to go toward home nursing services. Will you do that?
Well, FSSA will continue to work with those families to see if we can accommodate what their and satisfy what their needs are on a case-by-case basis.
But the governor's plan to help individual families like these hasn't worked. And there is no plan to help thousands of other families across Indiana in desperate need of home nursing care.
It's a statewide issue, and there are families that are very hard-pressed to wait another year, year and a half to be able to deal with this on a budget
we'll
basis.
continue to work with them this week, not wait next year. We'll continue to work with them this week.
Unfortunately, this week doesn't look any different than last week for families all over the state. They still can't get the level of home nursing care they need. State leaders say they want to help, but the reality is they're not.
So, Bob, is there any hope for these families that things will change?
Well, Taisha Wright tells me that she finally might have a home nurse who can work with her daughter 3 days a week. It's not what she's supposed to get, but it is better than nothing. And it's worth pointing out, she had to fight in order to get that nursing care on her own because the state isn't doing it.
So if the governor and FSSA won't help or can't help these families, who can?
Exactly. That's really the question, and it really underscores the need for an actual plan to tackle this crisis, which clearly is not going away.
All right, Bob Siegel with that report with 13 Investigates. Thanks.